y'all please rub my tummy? Yeah. Did someone just catch something? Oh, Daddy. Oh, to what level? Oh, fuck me. We're not gonna have a good night. You would take a shot of Rumple with me. Or maybe... I mean, definitely probably does, but... I had 4 in total. Y'all gonna make... What are you... Oh, fuck. Dude, this hurts my stomach. What are you...
Can I use the 23andMe kit? Because, like, I would really like to know about myself now.